FibreSeek, not just printing, evolving. Hey fellows, my name is Kevin Epple. I'm the founder of ARTis3DPrint, a manufacturer of high-end components made from high-performance polymers in Bavaria, Germany. I've been working in additive manufacturing in plastics for over 10 years and in metal for over 6 years now. We have manufactured over 60,000 components in a wide range of industries. We not only produce components, but also supports our customer with our consulting service on their way to a successful project. We've been able to test the FibreSeeker3 over the past few weeks and look back on almost 200 hours of printing time. Today we have prepared components and want to test how the performance really is. What's so special about the FibreSeeker3? The FibreSeeker3 enables you to print with continuous fiber for very strong parts. At the back of the printer there are 2 filament rolls of plastic, and on the right side there's 1 roll of continuous fiber. The fibers provided by FibreSeek are stored within the machine, as you can see. At the back of the printer you will find the plastic spools. One is connected with the printer with a direct extruder and one with a powder extruder. And now take a closer look at the printer. Now we are back, and as promised, we are prepared. We printed these models in nylon CF, PPS CF on other machines, and on the FibreSeeker3 it's PET-G and continuous carbon fiber. The weight, the perimeters and the infill are the same. And now give it a test. Let's try to break it. Oh. PPSCF. PET-G CCF. Oh. This will not gonna break. Did I encounter any issues during the beta program? Not really. There were a few minor situations, most of which were my fault. I will provide my feedback and I'm confident that the errors will be resolved before the product goes into production. I haven't discussed the slicer much, as it's still a subject of significant changes. However, I'm sure that the really good features, such as the masking tool, which I haven't seen in any other software, will remain. I was really hyped about the printer. And the FibreSeek team did not disappoint. I hope I was able to give you insights to the FibreSeeker3. I am very curious about the roadmap for this printer and I'm looking forward to meet the team of FibreSeek on the forum next in Frankfurt. What do you think about the printer? Let me know in the comments.